Okay, so United 76 is coming back, and then thankfully on this side. Oh, I literally just booked it over here, as I always do. I was gonna get WestJet, but it came in unexpectedly, so I wasn't prepared because I didn't know how close it was, so I wasn't prepared. So yeah, so I missed it. I thought that was it. Okay, this one might be the next. It might be this one. It might be this one. Unless they decided to go on 2-5. No, that's too small. That's too. Okay, that's too small to be. Yeah, yeah, there they are. Okay, never mind. Okay, dang it. That friggin' sucks. Here comes what looks like a CRJ, but actually, wait, no, that's not a CRJ. That's a Gulfstream. I can tell by the flaps.